Now, if you're having trouble removing a wheel from your vehicle, this is by far the easiest way to do it. I know some of you like to do this. Little Jean-Claude Van Damme. Forget it. Do this instead. Now, this is something you'll see quite often when you have a steel rotor and aluminum wheel. So place the lug nuts back on, so snug, and then just turn it back maybe a half turn. Okay, all 6 in this case. I'm also going to do it on the other wheel. So the driver's side here as well is also seized on the hub. Okay, that's good. So now we're going to start the truck and back it out down to the end of the driveway and then right back up, maybe 2 or 3 times to break that bond. If you're doing this on the front wheels, turn the wheel as you move your vehicle. The weight of your car or truck will break the bond. The easiest way to get this done. And there we go, nice and loose. If you still have trouble, try this. Now the key here is to have the weight of the vehicle completely on its tires. And you just want to shake it back and forth like this. And as you shake it, it's going to break loose that bond that's currently wedged between the wheel and the rotor, the hub. So here we are the next day. I just want to add a few things that came to mind as I was editing this video last night. The first thing, to prevent it, I just have a wire brush and just scrape the circumference of the rotor here, remove any loose rust, and also do the same on the back of the wheel. Secondly, what's really interesting is as I was wrapping up the filming yesterday, I put the wheels back on, I torqued down the lug nuts, parked everything overnight, and then this morning back in the garage, the wheel was solidified back on. So although if you remove it once, it's going to solidify back on there unless you clean everything off, okay? So it's really, really important. Make sure that everything is clean, and then you can add a little bit of anti-seize compound, or even a very, very thin coating of motor oil will do the trick. So that wraps it up for today, guys. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.